grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. We're going to do a little springtime project at the park today. I brought my materials to cast some plaster. I'm going to make a springtime scene in sand, and then we'll take it home and paint it. I'm going to make the picture at the bottom of this hole, and that will be the mold for the plaster.
Yeah, we're going to take
the freeway home. Pour the water in, mix up the plaster. I hope Amy helps me paint this later. Usually I end up doing the projects by myself a lot of times and then putting them on the wall for her. I think that happens a lot to parents. I made a couple of flowers, and a little friend came and made a sun, a springtime sun. To go already, so I'm gonna have to dig up my project. I don't know if it's ready to be dug up yet.
Ready to go home?
It's the afternoon and we're in our own neighborhood, so I'm going to paint our project now. Are you waking up yet?
Why? No, why?
It's a moth. One finger. Pretty. You see, that's like as close to a fairy as you're gonna get. Gentle. Yay. Whoa, that is too much yellow. Maybe I can make the most of it. Mhm. That's too much yellow, I think. Maybe I'll leave it anyway. It's a beautiful spring day above us with some little clouds, so I'm gonna nod to the reality that we're in right now and put some little clouds in. I think it's all done. I think it looks beautiful. The celebration of springtime.
On the butterfly garden,
Mhm.
that's a toy circle.
Yes.
Strawberry.
It's a wild red clover.